It's got a silver, it's silver grey, I think. I can't remember the name of the colour. Tell me in the comments if you know. But it's definitely wrapped. I don't know what the original colour was. If you saw the red one, and there is a Rolls. God. Look. And a Bentley. And look at the colour of the Bentley. Look. Look at the Bentley. To be honest, they look very much like it just looks like a similar shape to some. I can't remember the colour of it though. Look at the colour. You know the people, they won't let you take the film in the showroom. So we just got to do it in public. Do you know what I mean? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Right, let's move on, guys.